Let's look at this JAMB past questions, biology 2018, question number 18. Double fertilization is a unique feature of A. Angiosperms, B. Bryophytes, C. Pteridophytes, D. Algae. So, which of these is associated with double fertilization? Now, before we talk about it, now what is double fertilization? Double fertilization, what is it? Double fertilization is actually a complex fertilization mechanism of flowering plants. So it's the type of fertilization that happens for flowering plants. Is complex. Now, how does it happen? And these flowering plants that we talk about, they are also known as angiosperms. So how does it happen? The process involves the joining of a female gametophyte. So when you have a female gametophyte joining together with two male gametes plus two male gametes, that is when we have double fertilization. So we have one female gametophyte joining together with two male gametes. We have double fertilization. So male gametes can also be called sperm. You understand? So this process actually begins with a pollen grain, when a pollen grain adheres to the stigma of the carpel. You understand? So that is how you have the pollen grain adhering to the stigma, adhering to the word stigma of the carpel. That is how this process starts. So double fertilization is when we have one female gametophyte joining with two male gametes, and it actually happens in flowering plants, also known as angiosperms. So it's a special type of fertilization. So from this definition, you can see that double fertilization is a unique feature of what? Angiosperms, A. And that is the answer to the problem. Thank you.